You were you were you were joining me at almost 9 o'clock in the morning, the day after I went to my parents, which is the 30th of July 2018. This is just to prove to you that I suffer from chronic pain and that you cannot sleep in this place on any given day and get any rest. I mean, can you tell me what this noise is? Somebody has decided to cut branches down when it's raining. It's coming from the end flats, it's not from mine, but you can still hear it in my flat. It's a horrendous noise. And it's raining. They're all getting wet. They're making a load of noise, and right, I'm gonna have to see my scarecrow. It's fallen down a bit. It's horrendous, isn't it? They're just cutting branches down. It's falling all through the fence over there, and it's dripping with rain. You can see it's. Well, I don't go out normally early in the morning because I'm usually in bed in pain. So, I mean, I was up anyway, to be honest, before all this started. But I never go into the library first thing in the morning because, oh, I can smell. Wish I had smelly vision. You can smell the cut leaves. I'm going back in now to have my cup of tea.